Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today I want to talk about a question that millions of people ask every single day. How can I learn English? If you also feel that English is difficult, this video is specially for you. Before we begin, I want you to remember one important thing. English is not a talent. English is a skill. Just like driving a car, riding a bicycle, swimming or cooking, English is also a skill that anyone can learn with regular practice. It doesn't matter how old you are, where you come from, or how weak your English is today. If you practice every day with patience and consistency, you can become a confident English speaker. Many people think that some people are born with good English. They believe that fluent speakers have a special talent. But this is not true. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. They also made mistakes. They also forgot words. They also felt nervous while speaking. The only difference is that they did not stop practicing. They kept learning every day and slowly their English became better. So if you make mistakes while speaking, do not feel embarrassed. Mistakes are not your enemy. They are your teacher. Every mistake teaches you something new. The more mistakes you make while practicing, the faster you improve. One of the biggest reasons people fail to learn English is fear. They are afraid that others will laugh at them. They are afraid of speaking incorrect English. They think, what if I say something wrong? But let me ask you a simple question. When a child learns to speak their first language, do they speak perfectly on the first day? Of course not. They make hundreds of mistakes. They pronounce words incorrectly. They use wrong sentences. But nobody tells them to stop speaking. Instead, they encourage them. That is why children become fluent. If children can learn a language without fear, why can't we? The truth is that fear is the biggest obstacle, not English itself. Another mistake that many learners make is waiting for the perfect time. They say, first I will complete grammar, then I will start speaking. But that day never comes. Grammar is important, but speaking is more important in the beginning. Think about learning to swim. Can you learn swimming by reading books only? No, you have to get into the water. In the same way, you cannot become a fluent English speaker by only reading grammar books. You must start speaking. Even if your English is broken, even if you know only a few words, start speaking today. Your confidence will grow with practice. Listening is another powerful habit. If you want to speak English naturally, you must listen to English every day. Listen to simple English videos, podcasts, stories, or conversations. Don't worry if you understand only 50% in the beginning. That is completely normal. Keep listening every day. Slowly, your ears will become familiar with English. You will start understanding more words and more sentences without translating everything into your native language. This is exactly how children learn a language. They listen first and then they start speaking. Reading also plays an important role. Read something in English every day. It can be a short story, a newspaper article, a children's book, or even a simple social media post. Don't choose difficult books in the beginning because they can make you feel frustrated. Start with easy English. As your confidence grows, slowly move to more difficult content. Reading improves your vocabulary, your sentence structure, and your understanding of the language. Now let's talk about vocabulary. Many students try to memorize hundreds of words in one day. This is not a good strategy. Instead, learn only 5 new words every day. Understand their meaning, learn their pronunciation, and use them in your own sentences. 5 words may sound small, but in 1 month, you will learn around 150 words. In 1 year, you will know thousands of useful words. Small daily progress always gives big results. One habit that can completely change your confidence is speaking to yourself. Yes, it may sound funny, but it really works. Stand in front of a mirror every day and speak for 5 or 10 minutes. Talk about your day, your family, your job, your dreams, or your plans. Don't worry about making mistakes. The mirror will never laugh at you. This simple practice helps you become comfortable with speaking English.